Okay, hi class, how's everyone doing?
Great.
Good, are we ready to start our math unit?
Yes.
Good, okay, today we are going to learn how to do multiplication using our math tools. What are we going to learn?
Multiplication using our math tools.
Very good, thank you for answering together. Okay, so while we're doing math, I expect you guys to sit in the ready position and you're going to follow directions and use your tools only when I ask you to, okay? All right, what are you going to do? What's the first one? You're going to
sit in the ready position.
Good. What's the second one? Ready?
Use our tools. Only
Yes.
when you ask us to.
Very good. And what's your last one? Do you remember? The last one is you're going to follow directions.
Follow directions.
Okay, very good. What's the last one again?
Follow
Follow
directions.
Thank you for answering together. Okay, I will read a problem. Listen as I read the problem aloud. 8 children were eating 3 popsicles each. How many popsicles were there total between all the children? Okay, I will use math counting taffies to solve the problem. What will I do?
She will use math counting taffies to solve the problem.
That's right, good responding. First, I read the problem. What do I do first?
Read the problem.
Good, and we just read the problem, so we won't read it again. I now count beans for the amount of children. I count taffies for the amount of children. What do I do?
Count taffies for the amount of children.
That's right, so I'm going to count 8 taffies because there are 8 children, so I count out 8 taffies for each group. How many taffies do I count out for the children?
8 taffies for each.
Nice work. I count out 8 taffies. 8.
Yes.
Next, for each group of children, I put 2 more taffies in the group so that I have 3 taffies total. What do I do?
Put 2 more taffies in the group.
Right, I put 2 more taffies in the group, so I have 3 total in each group. Thanks for responding so well. These 3 taffies in each group represent the 3 popsicles that each child has. Now I count all the taffies to find the total. What do I do?
Count all the taffies to find the total.
Excellent answers. When I count the taffies, I find that there are 24 taffies total. How many total taffies are there?
24 taffies.
That's right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 24. Good. Thanks for counting with me. So, when there are 8 children who have 3 popsicles, they have 24 popsicles total. How many is 8 times 3?
24.
Perfect answering. All right, let's move on to another problem. Here's your math tools back, okay? I eat 3 meals per day, 7 days a week. How many meals do I eat in a week? What do we do first? Kobe, what do we do first to solve our problem?
Put down 3 taffies for each meal.
That's our second step. Our first step is to read the problem. What's our first step, Kobe?
Read the problem.
Very good. That's our first step. We read the problem. All right, I read the problem to you. We'll read it again. I eat 3 meals per day, 7 days a week. How many meals do I eat in a week? Okay. What do we do next, Natalie?
We count out 3 taffies.
Good. We count out the taffies for the first group, which is 3. Very nice. Thank you for answering. How many, you answered that. How many taffies do we count out? You said 3.
3.
Right, thank you. What do we do next, Natalie?
Then we add taffies.
How many taffies do we add? If we need 7 total and we already have 1 in each group, how many more taffies do we need in each group?
6.
Good. We add 6 more taffies to each group. So we have 7 taffies total in each group. Can you do that right now with your math tools?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Very good. I see that you have 3 groups and you put 7 taffies in each group. Okay, what's the last step, Kobe?
count out how many taffies you have total.
Right. You count out all the taffies to find the total. How many taffies are there in all, Kobe?
21 taffies.
That's right. There's 21 taffies. Thank you all for responding so well. Okay, we're going to use our math tools to solve this next problem. I'll read the problem to you out loud, and then you're going to use your math tools to solve it, okay? There are 6 puppies in a kennel. Each puppy has 4 spots. How many spots are there total? All right, use your math tools to figure out this problem. Remember the steps that we went over.
At the top. 6.
Do 3, you do 3.
Okay, now we add.
You got 4 spots for each puppy. And the puppy counts as 1. 3.
Then we count all of them.
There we go. Hold it together and it'll say the number 24.
All right,
24.
are you guys all done?
Yes.
Okay. Natalie, can you please tell the class how you got your answer using your math tools?
Well, first I read the problem.
Mm-hmm.
Then I put out 3 taffy math tools, 6 taffy math tools to represent each puppy,
Mm-hmm.
and then added 3 to each set to make 4,
Mm-hmm.
representing the spots.
Good.
And I put them all together and counted them all.
Oh, good.
And
That's
came up
perfect. Thank you for sharing with the class. Now, Kobe, can you tell us how Natalie got the answer to her question?
Yeah, she used her math tools and put out 6 pieces of taffy,
Mm-hmm.
1 for each puppy. Then she added 3 taffies to each group, making 4 total for each group. And then she counted all of them together and she found that there were 24 spots.
Right. And did she get the right answer?
I think so.
Good. Thank you. Thank you both for working so hard on that problem. So, when we have 6 puppies that have 4 spots each, we have 24 spots total, right? Very good. Thank you for working so hard and using your math tools. Now, you're all going to work on your individual worksheets. All right. Please answer the questions and raise your hands if you have any problems, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and use your math tools. Okay. Well, students, you all worked very hard today. I'm proud of the way that you used your math tools correctly and you had your eyes on the teacher and you followed all directions. So today we learned how to use our math tools to do multiplication. And tomorrow we're going to use our math tools to learn how to do division. Okay, I hope you're all very excited for that. Okay, thanks guys.
Thanks, Miss Wright.